guys, it's Hannah, and today I have an unboxing video for you. I just got my Bartesian in the mail and I wanted to unbox the whole thing because there's only a few videos about the Bartesian and I'm obsessed with the product. I think it's so, the whole premise behind it I think is really, really cool. So I wanted to unbox it, give you guys my first impressions and show you what you get when you get the Bartesian. So literally just unboxed it. I haven't even seen it yet, but let me get this out of the package and then Bartesian, the premium cocktail maker, and it's basically like a Keurig, but for cocktails, which I love. So basically the premise behind this is that I am not the best at making cocktails myself, and I can try, and I've always wanted to learn. I just haven't yet, and with my husband's job, he is gone quite a bit, so I was like, okay, well, this is a good reason to get this because I will have someone or something to make me cocktails when he's gone, because normally he always makes my cocktails for me. So it's a stupid reason, but nevertheless it's a reason, so just let me live my life. So opening it up, of course you have all the warranty information and the starting process, the whole 9 yards. We will keep that. My least favorite thing in the world, styrofoam or foam. So ugh, I hate styrofoam. Okay, so in opening this up, you have the bottles and the machine. Of course, there are glass bottles and there are 5 of them. And on the top, like I'll show you once I fill them up, they have what type of alcohol are in these bottles. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, get it in its spot. Next step after we have our Bartesian set up and its little spot is to fill your bottles up with the spirits that you want to put in there. It doesn't really matter which brand you want or anything along those lines, just literally match it up with what it says on the bottle. And it probably should be noted that I'm 26 years old, please drink responsibly. There it was said. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead, we're going to fill up the bottles with the correct spirits, and then I'm gonna put them on the Bartesian and we're gonna get started. I quickly wanted to show these to you guys. These are the capsules that go in the Bartesian. They have seasonal options like the poolside vibes. It looked like they also had holiday ones. I also got the classic one, but they have a lot more than this on the website, but I just picked some that looked like we would like. And I have a couple other ones that I'd also like to get as well. But the first one we're gonna start with is the North Side, and it is a vodka-based cocktail. Now these capsules don't have alcohol in them, which is fantastic. So if you wanted to make like a mocktail or anything along those lines, you could, but we're gonna go ahead and put this in the Bartesian. Okay, so it was doing a time lapse when I was trying to make this, but you're gonna go ahead and put all the capsules into the spot that match up with their alcohol. Whiskey and gin on this side are going to have the same little capsule, so you will have to switch them out whatever based on the alcohol. Once you also put the whole product together, you're also going to want to click up here and run a water setting just to kind of cleanse everything and make sure everything is good to go, and the water base is back here. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to get everything set up to make our first thing to note with the Bartesian is that it's not chilled, so always make sure that your drinks have a ton of ice. I love cold drinks, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the North Side cocktail. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna lift it and place our capsule in with the little tab facing forward. I think that's good to go. And then there we go. And then we're gonna hit next. And I'm going to show you guys kind of what this looks like. So it's gonna give you multiple different options of what you would like your cocktail to be. So it's the afternoon right now, so I don't want a strong drink. We're just gonna go with regular, and I'm gonna go ahead and click mix, and here we go. Wow, that was so fast. Wow. That was so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm gonna add a little bit more ice to it, and then we're gonna give it a taste. So we're gonna give it a taste test to see. I went with the regular strength that is vodka based, and it does smell like vodka, so let's see what I think. Oh. Oh, that is so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. It literally tastes like I just went to a restaurant and I had a cocktail made. Oh my God, that's so good. So I did the math on this, and normally with each capsule that you get, between, if you get 6 capsules, 8 capsules, normally when the capsule, you get a 6 capsule, it's about $19. So I divided that by 6, and you're looking at about $2.50, around that, roughly. On math, I suck at math, but it's around like $2 per drink that you have. So that's really not bad, because normally when I'm having a cocktail, one, I can have as many cocktails as I want. I don't have to go out and buy different mixers to physically make that cocktail. I can go from a margarita to a Northside to a whiskey smash, and I'm not having to go out and get all the additives to that drink, which is really nice, because that's always what really stops me from drinking cocktails, is I always have to go out and get the items to put into the cocktail to make that. So this is amazing. It's so refreshing. It's dangerous. Like, it is so good, it's dangerous. Like, this is so good. I'm blown away. This is amazing. If you were on the fence about this, I highly recommend that you try out the Bartesian if you're thinking about it. If you like cocktails, if you like craft cocktails, I cannot recommend it enough. I think just after the first one, I love it. It's very easy. Literally took me 20 seconds to make a drink, and I love things that make my life a lot easier, and this is one of them. So
I don't know how to respond to that.
My watch is talking. Cool. So I absolutely love this. I think this is a great purchase. My husband and I really love craft cocktails. We really like to have a drink, and so this is gonna just enhance date night. And also means when my husband is gone, I can have a cocktail and not make an overly strong drink that tastes really bad, because there's no guesswork now. I just pop a capsule in, I hit a button, and it's ready to go. So I'm amazed. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.